My special felicitations for all those who won the coveted trophies. My special thanks to the families of Kuwaiti UTOs who traveled all the way and are present here. We are very grateful and we are very happy for you to be here. Ladies and gentlemen, indeed the outstanding performance displayed by the Kuwaiti Air Force UTOs during their training reflects their physical fitness, mental agility, and professional commitment. Their earnest pursuit of their resolve to make aerial defense of Kuwait impregnable, inshallah. I am personally witness to their performance and the spirit of training, more importantly, due to my personal interaction with them during the different phases of their training. We are very proud to have you with us. Graduating UTOs and cadets, your training at the Academy has certainly equipped you with ample knowledge in your professions, and you can take up your future assignments with ease and confidence. In your professions, and you can take up your future assignments with ease and confidence.